Today we have come with a very nostalgic recipe. This was my favorite when I was in school. Its tangy, sweet and spicy flavor made me crave for this. I enjoy having it even today. So I'm sharing this recipe with you. Hope you all will like it. So let's start the recipe. For this we need 100 grams of tamarind which I have washed. To this add 50 grams of seedless dates. Now we have to soak this in hot water for at least 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, add the tamarind and dates into a mixer jar. Make sure there are no seeds. The tamarind is also seedless and the dates too are seedless. Now grind it into a smooth paste. This is the consistency of the paste that we want. Now in a pan, take half teaspoon of ghee. After the ghee melts, add in 80 to 100 grams of jaggery. Add more if you like it sweeter. Also check the taste of the tamarind. If it's sour, balance the jaggery accordingly. Now on a low flame, melt the jaggery. So here the jaggery started melting. Now the paste that we have made, we are going to add half of it first and mix it together with the jaggery. Keep the flame low. Mix it nicely. Once it is all mixed together, add the remaining paste. So here we added all the paste and now we are going to season this. We are going to add salt, black salt, that is 1/4 teaspoon of black salt we'll add to this. Then we'll add 1.5 teaspoon of cumin powder. This is roasted cumin powder, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. And mix all this together and cook it for at least 10 to 12 minutes on low flame. I also like to add fennel powder to this, so I'm adding 1 teaspoon of fennel powder. You can also add crushed fennel, that too gives a nice flavor. Now you have to cook it for 10 to 15 minutes till it becomes thick and glossy and starts leaving the pan. Now we are going to wrap this. So we are going to wrap it into a cling wrap. I've taken 1 tablespoon and in that I have taken this mixture. After cooling, this mixture becomes thick, so let it cool nicely. Now I add it to the cling wrap and just wrap the cling paper around the sweet like a toffee and just roll the edges. You can store this for at least 1 to 2 months in an airtight container. So we'll make one more. I'll show you. Same way, I've taken a teaspoon so that the measurement, the quantity of all the sweet that we are making remains the same. So just roll it like this and just twist the edges so that it becomes like a candy. This is one method of making it. You can also use popsicles or flat ice cream spoons also can be used. I have these popsicles with me, so I'm using those. Just to one tip, with the help of a spoon, add in some mixture of this tamarind dates. Smoothen the edges with the help of a spoon. So your popsicle is ready. Take a cling wrap and just wrap it around and seal the part where we have added the tamarind mixture. You can make it as you like. This is one more method of making it. You can also make it into small balls and coat it with sugar and salt. If you want to make it like that, then you take 3 tablespoons of sugar and a pinch of salt, grind it, and just roll these balls into that ground sugar and salt mixture. So here our popsicles are ready. Hope you all liked it. If you like it, please subscribe to our channel. Also hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever we post a new video. Thanks for watching.